BVI Yacht Sales is proud to present this 38-foot Colin Archer gaff Ketch, Emilie Karoline, built by the renowned Randesund yard in Norway to classic Colin Archer standards in 1978. Currently lying in northern Spain and ready to go anywhere immediately, this vessel is a true testament to Norwegian maritime heritage. Colin Archer, a Norwegian naval architect, became legendary for designing rescue boats known for their seaworthiness and stability in extreme weather. The Emilie Karoline is built to this same philosophy, crafted to endure even the most challenging sea conditions, thanks to her sturdy oak construction with epoxy laminated ribs and strip planking. Unlike traditional wooden boats, she boasts a modern, composite wood construction, resulting in a stable, strong, and dry vessel that's ready for ocean voyaging. Step aboard, and you'll find her pine deck lovingly restored with high-quality Epifanes and Jotun varnishes, bringing out the elegance of her natural wood. Below deck, Emilie Karoline offers a surprisingly comfortable and cozy layout, fully equipped for extended cruising. With features like refrigeration, a stove, and even a washing machine, she truly is a home on the water. Her Isuzu engine, meticulously overhauled and maintained, provides reliable power for long-range voyages, while her new jib sail and traditional rigging stand ready for a transatlantic passage this winter. Emilie Karoline is also equipped with the latest navigation technology, including a Raymarine autopilot, navionic chart plotter, and an active AIS system for safe and informed passage making. Her 300-watt solar panels and lithium batteries ensure sustainable, off-grid cruising. This vessel is ideal for the sailor drawn to timeless beauty and uncompromised seaworthiness, a living piece of maritime history that promises an unmatched experience on the open ocean. Visit www.bviyachtsales for the full listing.